Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing that how you can scan your text in your iPhone. So this option is available if you have upgraded iOS 15, and in my case I have the latest version iOS 18.4. What you need to do is just go to your Notepad app, and under Notepad app you see on the bottom side there is an option to add any new Notepad option. Just tap on it, and after tapping on it a new Notepad screen will come up. You see that if you don't have a screen like this menu, you just need to tap on it and the screen like this will come up. And what you need to do is just tap on this side attach option, and it will give you some option here. Do you need to just scan text, and a camera like this will show up to you so that you can actually scan the text which you want. So in my case I have rewritten some formats, and I will show you that it will detect clean writing, not dispersed writing like this. So what I'm doing here is I'm just putting it down, and you see it will automatically recognize that it is written phone candy, just like this. So that's how you can actually put your scanning task into your notepad and adjust it afterwards. And now if I show you that I will show you this text, and I will scan this, and it will not detect actually what is written, because it needs a clean writing what you have written in a good manner. So what I'm doing is I'm scan text again, and I'm putting this into the screen. Let's see if it works. Okay, yes, just a moment. Okay, so insert. So you see that it shows that next to your friend, whatever it is written, it is a useless thing because it cannot detect the language like this, but it has detected the language this. So you need to write clearly if you want to add into your notepad, and that's how you can add any of your handwriting into your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope this video helping out in putting anything for your handwritten to your phone, and you can adjust it later by rectifying the grammar by yourself, or putting it into DeepSeek or ChatGPT, and it will automatically clarify all the errors. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.